Hey, AI explorers. Elon Musk's Neuralink is no longer just sci-fi. It's merging human brains with machines in real life. From thought-powered computers to restoring speech and movement, this tech is beyond wild. Let's dive into 10 jaw-dropping breakthroughs that are changing everything. Founded in 2016 by Elon Musk, Neuralink is building brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs, that let your brain talk directly to machines. Their flagship N1 chip, no larger than a coin, contains over 1,000 electrodes embedded on 64 threads thinner than human hair. These threads are implanted with the help of a high-precision surgical robot. The goal? To help people regain lost functions like movement or speech, and eventually enhance human intelligence itself. In 2023, the FDA approved human trials, and in early 2024, the first person received an implant. Tech insiders called it a historic leap into a cyborg future. It's one of the most advanced neural devices ever made, and it's pushing neuroscience into the spotlight like never before. Meet Nolan Arbaugh, the first Neuralink recipient. After a diving accident left him paralyzed, he regained digital control by using only his thoughts. Thanks to the N1 implant, he can move a computer cursor, play chess, and even browse online, just by thinking. The device picks up electrical signals from his brain's motor cortex and sends them wirelessly to a computer. Arbaugh described it as using the force. Although similar BCIs have existed since 2006, Neuralink's wireless, sleek design and learning algorithm are pushing the field to the next level. His case offers hope to millions with severe disabilities, and it proves the potential of brain-machine communication in real life. At its core, the N1 reads spikes, neural signals, using 64 flexible threads placed in the brain's motor cortex. These threads transmit signals to a custom chip that processes them in real time. The data then streams via Bluetooth to an external device like a phone or laptop. Advanced algorithms decode the brain's electrical language and turn it into digital commands. The surgical robot precisely avoids blood vessels during implantation, minimizing trauma. It's an elegant blend of neuroscience, robotics, and AI, one step closer to turning thought into action. The precision is so high it can map neural firing patterns. This lets Neuralink learn your brain's language better with each use. One of Neuralink's biggest missions is restoring movement to those with paralysis. The implant picks up brain signals that would normally go to muscles and reroutes them to machines. This could control robotic limbs, wheelchairs, or even exoskeletons. Imagine regaining the ability to feed yourself or move independently, all through intention alone. Neuralink's high electrode density means more accurate signal reading, translating to finer motor control. In live demos, patients have already used brain signals to operate mechanical arms, bringing hope to thousands with spinal injuries or neurological disorders. Eventually, it might even reawaken dormant pathways. This could mean direct reactivation of the body's own muscles. Communication is another frontier Neuralink is aiming to reclaim. For those with ALS or locked-in syndrome, the implant could decode internal speech, the words we think but can't say. In 2025, a patient with ALS posted on social media using only their thoughts. The implant read the brain's speech signals and translated them into text in real time. Other BCIs have achieved typing speeds of 60+ words per minute. Neuralink hopes to surpass that. This is more than innovation, it's giving people their voices back. Voice decoding might soon include emotional tone and intent. That opens the door to more natural, human-like digital conversations. Enter Neuralink's Blind Sight project. It targets the brain's visual cortex to restore sight to the blind. The idea: stimulate neurons and patterns that the brain interprets as images. While the first human trials are still ahead, animal tests have shown potential. Early prototypes may offer pixelated Atari-style visuals. It's crude, but revolutionary for those with total vision loss. The FDA has fast-tracked it as a breakthrough device. While full restoration is years away, this project opens a new chapter in neurovisual science. Eventually, it could be paired with external cameras for 360-degree perception. The line between biological and digital vision could blur entirely. As the tech evolves, so do ethical alarms. Could Neuralink invade our mental privacy? What happens if brain data is hacked or misused? bidirectional BCIs, those that read and write brain activity, raise questions about manipulation and consent. Animal rights groups have criticized early testing phases, and for vulnerable patients, informed consent is a gray area. Neuralink must address these challenges transparently. The world is watching, not just the tech, but how responsibly it's deployed. Global laws on neural data are almost non-existent. We need regulations before the tech becomes widespread. Neuralink may be the most famous, but it's far from alone. Synchron's stent road implant, delivered through blood vessels, has already helped ALS patients control devices. BlackRock Neurotech's Utah array has been used in clinical settings since 2004. Paradromics offers massive bandwidth, but hasn't reached human trials. While Neuralink brings innovation, its competitors offer proven stability. The race is on, not just for capability, but for safety, scalability, and global approval. And in this high-stakes game, every electrode counts. Collaboration, not just competition, could speed up breakthroughs. The BCI industry is heading toward mainstream medical adoption. For Musk, Neuralink isn't just medical, it's existential. He sees it as our shield against AI dominance. By merging minds with machines, he believes humans can keep up with artificial superintelligence. Picture learning kung fu via neural upload or sharing memories like files. Musk calls this human-AI symbiosis. While critics label it transhumanist fantasy, the ambition is real, and so is the funding. With nearly $300 million invested, Neuralink could shift humanity's entire trajectory. He believes brain upgrades could eliminate inequality, but skeptics warn that elite access could deepen divides. Looking ahead, Neuralink plans to expand global trials, including new projects in the UAE. Next-gen implants will likely have longer threads, deeper brain reach, and improved durability. But hurdles remain: long-term stability, regulatory frameworks, and affordability. In the future, BCIs might let us control devices, open doors, or even interact with each other brain to brain. The tech is coming fast, and the world needs to get ready. Neuralink isn't just building devices, it's building the next era of human evolution, a world where thoughts are the new interface, and where your brain becomes the ultimate remote. That's Neuralink, brain tech on the edge of science fiction. Which breakthrough amazed you most? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit like and subscribe, and stay tuned with AI Explorer for more deep dives into the future.